you walk down the street every day for how many days now? What's wrong? You don't work or something?
No, don't care.
But
Go home, kid. Unless you got a cigarette.
well, this is my home, mister. Watch this. Oh,
What is this? Hey, kid, watch out. Is this some kind of
mister.
circus? Maybe that dead rat will do a song and dance to finish this clown show.
So is this official or unofficial?
Don't act smart. Can we meet? I need information. I can get you more of what you need. Like last time.
Okay. Same place, same time.
Do you have something else? I can pay you.
Ted Gold, I'm putting my job on the line for this.
You're late. Are you drunk?
When wasn't I?
Did they notice you day drinking first, or? So, I heard that Detective Baker is taking over this case.
What's that?
Nothing that concerns you. Leave me alone, kid.
Hey, you said you wanted a cigarette.
Persistent, this kid. Reminds me of someone. Hey, what did you do with that $20? Damn good pickpocket.
To be honest, you're probably the first person to ever notice.
Or the first person who cared.
I'm a kid. What am I supposed to do? Starve?
They are all on the take anyway. Suicide, just like the report stated. A recipe book. Looks like death wasn't on the menu. What really happened to you?
Hey! What were you doing in there? Is there a murder? I thought we were friends. You can tell me.
Listen, kid, you can't be involved in this.
But I don't understand. I do everything else by myself.
I can't lose.
Someone help! Please, no. You can't die.
It's okay, kid.
I need to save you.
You already have. Just let me be with. Thank you for being my friend.